Here, that's a trash can. Careful, careful. To the left. To the left. To the left. Go to the right.
Alright, this is the chair right here.
Alright.
You got this, man.
You got 5 plates in front of you.
5.
Fill them all out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
So you got 5 plates in front of you, 1 chicken tender on each one, and
So
you're
start? I
gonna,
can start?
yeah, you can start. You're gonna eat them one at a time, and we're gonna rank them from your favorite to least favorite.
Long little skinny guy.
What do you like about it?
A little dry. Oh, I like the other one. We'll see where that one ends up. Okay, that was one. That was trash, that one.
Carlos, take it back up.
That one was good. Okay, so 2's better than 1, that I can tell you. Okay, this is 4?
Yep. What do you think of that little guy?
I like that other guy. Tastes like rosemary or something on that. That was good. This is the last guy?
So much for keto.
Thoughts?
Okay, 1 bite from each. I'll tell you right now, 1 is definitely the worst. Whatever number 1 was bad.
Okay.
Dry, might have been also because it was probably got here first and it was a little cold, but number 1 was not good.
We'll go number 1 worst, and we'll
Yeah.
kind of rank them up from there, and we'll move them for you. Or if you want to move.
I think 1 is like way down the list.
Yeah.
I thought 4 was
Second one.
worst. Yeah. And then 3.
Yeah.
And then 5, and then 2. Yeah.
Okay, so you can remove your blindfold.
Okay.
You rank them. This is worst to best.
What
If
is
you
this
lift
one?
up the plate, it'll say.
Well, hold on. Let's start from the worst. What's the worst? What is this? Orleans, and what is this trash? Chick-fil-A,
Damn.
KFC. Yeah, I tasted the flavor of this one. Louisiana
Oh.
and Popeyes. Right.
Popeyes
Sweet.
number 1.
Popeyes is good. That was good.
Happy-
These two were definitely the best ones. Happy National Fried Chicken Day, everybody.
Come out to Family Style Fest.
Yeah, September. We'll see you at Family Style Fest, but none of this trash will be there.